I'm sorry, but surely inspiration and the creative process itself must provide sublime moments of happiness.
Yes. When I'm writing, it's nice enough, and correcting the proof is nice too. But it's barely come off the presses when I can't stand it. I can see that it's not right. A mistake, that it should have been written in just that way. I'm annoyed. Feel rotten inside. And then the public reads it. Yes, charming, talented, charming, but a far cry from Tolstoy. Or not up to Turgenev's fathers and sons.
Forgive me, I refuse to accept that. You're simply spoiled by success. Even if you're dissatisfied with yourself, other people think that you're great and beautiful. If I were a writer like you, I would devote my whole life to the public, but I'd realize that their only happiness lay in being brought up to my level, and they would be yoked to my chariot.
Well, chariot. Am I Agamemnon or something?
For the joy of being a writer or an actress, I would put up with my family disowning me, poverty, disappointment. I would live in a garret and eat nothing but black bread, suffer dissatisfaction with myself, and realize my own imperfection. In return, I would insist on fame, real, resounding fame. What's that you're writing?
Just jotting down a note. A subject came to mind. Subject for a short story. On the shores of a lake, a young girl grows up just like you. As lovely and free like a gull, as happy like a gull. Then by chance a man comes along, sees her, and having nothing better to do, destroys her just like that gull. Coming! What?
We're staying. It's a dream.
Wow.
Can't give advice about things like that.
We're parting, and most likely we'll never see one another again. Please take a keepsake of me. Here. This little medallion. I had them engrave your initials on it, and on this other side of the title of your book, Days and Nights.
Oh, charming. Thoughtful.
Remember me from time to time.
I will remember you. I'll remember you as you were on that sunny day. Do you remember a week ago when you were wearing that brightly colored dress? We were having a long talk. Something else. There was a white gull lying on the bench.
Yes, a gull. Bunny Savage? I've made up my mind. The die is cast. I'm going on the stage. Tomorrow I'll be gone. I'm leaving my father, abandoning everything, starting a new life. I'm traveling like you to Moscow. We shall meet there.
Stay at the Slav Bazaar Hotel. Let me know the minute you get there. Molcha Lvokovsk, the Grosky apartment. I'm in a hurry.
Just one more minute.
You are so beautiful. How wonderful to think that we'll be seeing one another again soon. I'll see these marvelous eyes again. This indescribably beautiful, tender smiles. Look at angelic purity.